Hey everyone, this is Jacques LaVenture, and today I'm going to show you how to make chin-ups easier. Chin-ups are one of my favorite exercises, really maximizing the workout where you work on your buys and your back. And today I'm going to talk about the procedures on how to make your chin-up workout easier. If you're not able to pull yourself up, what you can do is you can start by doing lateral pull downs, getting your muscles prepared for pulling exercises. So you're going to bring down the bar up to the chest, squeezing the lats and relaxing. You can increase the tempo if you like, but really squeezing, contracting. Other exercises you can use a friend to assist you with your pull-ups. You can also use resistance bands. So these are the certain things that you can do to assist your pull-ups to get them easier as you progress in your workout.